Leekautorepair, what's going on? Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure y'all subscribe, all that good stuff. So the title of the video is the title of the video. I'm gonna show y'all how to get rusty nuts off and stuff. I know y'all probably see videos from guys like Eric O at South Main Auto. You got Eric the Car Guy, probably Scotty Kilmer, as if he even do it. I don't know. Then you got guys like me who do it too. And I do have a video on getting a couple rusty things off before, but it's better to have videos like these because people do run into a lot of problems, especially when you live up north like me in Pennsylvania. I'm in the metropolitan area in the suburbs near Philly. We get a lot of rust just like guys in New York, Massachusetts, Boston, whatever. We get rust just like how y'all get rust. So if I get my cousin to zoom in on these the nut and bolt, as you can see right there. Wish I had another light right there for you guys, but maybe if I'll run in, I'll try to get a light for you. Maybe you can see it, maybe you can't. Let me try to hold the camera right there. But as you can see, it's literally frozen on there, like seized on there. And good thing I went out and bought this acetylene torch thingy right here, and I got what I need to get the job done. So first thing you do, you want to get set up and everything. I know you're like, Leek, where you at? Where you at? I'm at home in my goddamn garage out back in my driveway. All right, that's it. Don't ask no goddamn questions. Just be thankful I'm doing a video like this. So cousin, what you want to do is, matter of fact, let me see if I could. We could do it from right here. That's perfect. I was worried about I had to do it over here, and then I ain't want to mess your knees up and everything. So make sure you key in on here. I'm gonna get light for you. If you give me 1 second. All right, I got some light for you, so you should be able to see a lot better. So I'm gonna go ahead and move my, see my setup again, huh? All right, y'all see. Make sure y'all watch the video. I think it's part 1, part 2. I might even take the parts off and just title it regularly, but it is what it is. So I already got one off. I'm not even gonna touch it. As you can see how seized it is. Cousin, key on the ground. See how you still got some threads right there. So that's our savior right there. So in between these two flanges, we should have some threads that should help us drop this bad boy out. So the key to getting this off is you need to heat up. Here it needs to be glowing red, and then the backside stud right there needs to be glowing red as well. So let me try to back this light off so I won't blind everybody. So backside glowing red, front side glowing red. So go ahead and set your acetylene torch up. Yesterday I showed you guys how to kind of use it a little bit. I'm already good to go on. This air is getting on my nerves. It's like it's hissing out. I gotta get some Teflon tape going on, but I'll play some background music to just kill the noise a little bit. So go ahead and turn this on. Where's my striker? Right here. Bam. Almost burnt my damn seat. Make sure you got a fire extinguisher. We have one upstairs. Turn it down. Oops. Do this again. Sometimes you gotta reset it. You gotta reset, shut off the oxygen, shut off the acetylene, then the oxygen. So try this again. And I want like a nice little flow. Now the regulators, I can dial them in more to get more flow. I think I should. Well, I ain't gonna mess with it no more. But make sure you aimed on here real good. Make sure you ain't got nothing in the background. One more thing I messed up on. Safety goggles. So Gucci, let's start this over. So let's glow it red. So however you want this to flow out is on you. We had that talk yesterday. I think we established that. Turn my acetylene down. Put my oxygen in. Okay. More acetylene. So I want this thing to come off. So glowing red is the key. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this light off so we can see it glowing red. If the camera goes out, you can just tap the center screen, the black screen, it'll come back. You see it's red right there. Sometimes you gotta maneuver. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this dial, turn this down, because you know I don't want to kill everybody out back, including myself. So I'm working on getting shop equipment I buy stuff all the time, so I want to get properly set up back here where I could properly sit down. I can have a workbench. That is my next investment, a nice workbench. You guys got any recommendations, any suggestions, and those people that's real savvy on what type of deals we got out here, so make sure you leave it in the comment section. So glow it red. Sometimes the way it's flowing out, it's not good enough. I'm gonna get it glowing red, so more acetylene, a little bit more oxygen. So get that glowing red. So once you got both sides, back side and the front side glowing red, I'm gonna show you what to do next. I ain't gonna sit here and just gonna keep on continue to film, because I gotta edit this shit. All right, so I set the camera down. Just give me 1 second. I gotta get this popping for you. Remember, keep this set away from you at all times. If it's not getting hot enough, add more acetylene. When you add acetylene, balance out the oxygen too at the same time. I did have it glowing red, so it should come red again in a second. And make sure you light up the back side and the front side, just like that. And it should be glowing red. I turned off the light so you can see better. When I'm impatient, I turn up the acetylene, just like that. I know for you the flame is blue, but I got these Welders goggles on, so my eyes is good for right now. I'm straight, I'm Gucci, you feel me? So back side, front side. You could be at this for like 2 or 3 minutes. Just the goal is to have it hot enough. Sometimes you might gotta, I think it's gonna come off because I cracked the surface rust. You can see, so I think I'm Gucci. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off. Turn off everything. And I'm gonna take my goggles off. And next, I'm gonna put my socket on there and gonna hammer it on. And get my air tools is definitely needed. So make sure you get set up with your air tools. Hammer it on there too so it goes on right. I mean, comes off right. So whenever it starts spinning, if you want, add PB Blaster. Just to, you know, lube it up a little bit. Sometimes you might gotta reheat it. In this case, since it's already hot, I think I'm gonna just go ahead and try to tap it again. See how the cat's starting to come apart? So hopefully I can get it to. If not, I'm gonna heat it up again, because when everything gets hot, it's soft. That's why I can easily turn with impact tools. So I'm gonna be heating this up again. Or I could just take some vice grips, assuming that I bought some, but I don't think I did. Actually, I got some little pliers that I can use that's working. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue to twist this off. And be patient. The nut itself is actually coming off now. Try to get that camera. I can see some clean threads too. There's always clean threads under rust. You just have to be willing to get to it. And remember, don't be touching this unless you got welder's gloves and shit. So, got one cat off. This stud right here, and I was only gonna show you one side. Yeah, this you get one side, you can do them all. This right here, be careful touching the gasket too. I don't know if I'm going to be using this again. I doubt if I should use it. Just the looks of it. Gonna get that out as well too. So I'm going to heat that out and then take some vice grips and then twist it out. So that's how you would get that out. But I showed you guys how to get the nut. Here's the nuts on the ground. Got 2 out, one more right here, and I'm good to go. So pretty much that's how you use acetylene torch, acetylene oxygen torch, or let's just say that's how you get rusted nuts and bolts off exhaust components. So I'm Leekautorepair. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you guys subscribe. All that Gucci shit. If you want to send me some cool stuff, you can send it to me, Malik, Leekautorepair, P.O. Box number 4 at Lansdowne, Pennsylvania 19050. Shirts $25 plus shipping. Get with me, and I get you set up or whatever, and ready to order, place there, and all of that. Follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is the same as my YouTube, Leekautorepair. Make sure you DM me or leave a comment. Let me know you just checking in or whatever. And that's it. So I'll holler at y'all.